As children, we need years to acquire the fine motor skills involved in using our limbs. From seemingly mundane tasks like walking down the road to complex hand movements such as pouring some water or squeezing a tube of toothpaste, we rely on perfectly functioning limbs all the time. When they work as nature intended, we take them for granted. But these faculties are easily lost. Limbs may be severed, amputated, or rendered functionless through accidents, strokes, or other ailments. Natural BionicS aims at restoring these lost functionalities to an unprecedented degree. Through the collaboration of 3 European universities, we use a multidisciplinary approach to achieve optimal results in state-of-the-art bionic extremity reconstruction. Our concept of a novel biohub will allow us to not only control prosthetic limbs with multiple degrees of freedom, but also to create natural feedback sensations into the central nervous system. Thus, we aim to get closer to creating truly intuitive, reliable prostheses that feel almost like the natural limb. High-density matrices developed at Imperial College London allow us to register minute myoelectric signals, even tracing them back to individual spinal neurons. Pioneering surgical procedures like targeted muscle reinnervation or osseointegrations performed at the Medical University of Vienna create an optimal basis for interfacing with prosthetic devices. Our novel concept of the manunculus, a neural representation of the missing limb within the stump, lets us understand the entire neuromuscular system as a repository for valuable information which can be extracted at will. The innovative soft robotics devices from the Italian Institute of Technology are some of the closest mechanical emulations of biological hands and feet ever devised. Large arrays of electronic detectors and sophisticated algorithms help reconstruct the complex neural mechanisms behind the action of human limbs, while implanted skin microstimulators will provide feedback to the central nervous system. The unique combination of our 3 centers of excellence will allow us to grasp the future as never before possible. Join us on our journey to a world where bionics become truly natural. Natural BionicS.